Welcome to Gemara Academy. In this class, we will learn Tosfos Dibra Maschel Midi Dahave Atzidi Rishus Harabim. Let's begin. Midi Dahave Atzidi Rishus Harabim. In the Gemara, we asked on the opinion of the Rabbanon, who say that a person's chayiv when he carries from a chanus leplatya derech stav, from a store into the public plaza through the stav, the bench area where people would sell their wares, which is a case that a person is carrying from Rishus HaYachid to Rishus Harabim through a carmelis. We asked on the Rabbanon, who say that the person's chayiv, from where do they see that such a case is chayiv? So here in the Gemara we presented the answer that it's like tzidi Rishus Harabim, just like when a person carries from his house to the street and he's going through the side of the Rishus Harabim, the tzidi Rishus Harabim, the area between the Rishus Harabim and his home, which is a carmelis. Just like in that case, he's chayiv when he carries from his house to the Rishus Harabim. Although it's a case of carrying from Rishus HaYachid to a Rishus Harabim through a carmelis, so too when he carries from a chanus leplatya derech stav, he's also going to be chayiv. So Tosfos is going to ask a question and give an answer. So let's see Tosfos inside. V'im tamer, and if one asks, ma pashat lan yeser, what's simpler to us, derech tzidi Rishus Harabim and derech stav, when it's through a tzidi Rishus Harabim than when it's through a stav? In other words, our question was, where do we see that a person's chayiv when he carries from a chanus leplatya derech stav? And our answer is, because a person's chayiv when he carries from a Rishus HaYachid to Rishus Harabim through the tzidi Rishus Harabim. We can ask the same question over there. Who said over there he's chayiv? In other words, we just pushed it off. We're presenting one case that we're questioning what the source is, and then we present another case where the same question could be there. What's the source for it? But apparently to the Gemara, it's simpler that this case is chayiv, and therefore we accept it as an answer. So Tosfos asks, what's simpler about this case? And Tosfos answers, Ve'yishlemer, we could say, the derech bayi sheyesh lefonav stadin. It's normal, it's common for homes to have in front of them this area in between the home and the Rishus Harabim. Like we mentioned, the reason is in order that there should be a distance, that the public shouldn't knock in with wagons and other things into their person's home. They would make a space, an area between the Rishus HaYachid and the Rishus Harabim. So Tosfos says it's common for this to be done, and that's how it probably wasn't in the Mishkan. And therefore, since we learn all the malachas from the Mishkan, so we see that the carrying that occurred in the Mishkan, when it was from Rishus HaYachid to Rishus Harabim, it was through a carmelis. And that's the explanation when we bring this case, is we're basically saying, how do we know that when one carries from a chanus leplatya derech stav that he's chayiv? Where do we see such a thing as chayiv? We see it in the Mishkan, because in the Mishkan, when they carried from their tents into the Rishus Harabim, it was through the area that separated the Rishus Harabim from their tents, and that area is at tzidi Rishus Harabim.